Hi, I'm Afeni Shakur.
And I'm Valletta Wallace.
In keeping with both our sons' memories and contributions to the arts, we stand united as mothers preserving their legacies.
The fact that we are even standing here show what the power of faith, friends, family, loved ones, and fans can do to bring us all closer.
The memory of our sons, Tupac and Biggie, should continue to inspire us and unite us and inspire children around the world to overcome obstacles to achieve their goals.
In essence, music can enhance our chances to hold us together, help us to reach others, cross language barriers and color lines, thus giving us hope for the next millennium. Let's take